Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. These are the 3 different sizes that I did for the hand sanitizer bottles. I'm going to be giving you guys the measurements for each one and pretty much I guess showing you how I got this one right here, which is really simple. Okay, so the measurement, let's do the big one first. Okay, so for the big one, the height is 4.2, the width is 2.4. And I made these in Publisher, but you can also make these in Microsoft as well. So let's go to the medium one. Now the medium one is 2.75 by 1.35. And like I said, to do front and back, you just copy what you got, and this can be your front and back, or like I said, you can change this up. It could be some little, nutrition facts, barcodes, whatever you want to go on the back. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the measurements for this one first. 1.4 is the height, and the width is 1.42. Now for that one, I went to insert, and I went to shapes, and I went down to let me find exactly this right here. What is that? Do these have different names? Okay, yeah, they do have different names. Okay, this one is flowchart delay. And I pretty much, that's what it looks like when you add it. And I just turned it around like that. And like I said, you can do this also for these. They do not have to be, they don't have to all be with a straight edge. And then you just cut it out like that and apply it. You can use sticker paper. The ones that I did was just with regular paper. And then, you can laminate it and add it on there. There's many ways to do this. But, yeah, those are the measurements. I hope you guys have fun with these, decorating these, dressing these up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.